This isn't just another hybrid. This is the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT63 SE. Performance, a super sedan that blends V8 fury with electric precision. With 843 horsepower, over 1,000 pound-feet of torque, and a 0 to 60 time of just 2.8 seconds, this is the most powerful AMG ever. It looks every bit the monster it is. Wide stance, low-slung body, Panamericana grille, and subtle hybrid badging, aggressive, yet refined. Quad exhausts out back remind you this AMG doesn't whisper, it roars. Under the hood, a handcrafted 4.0L twin-turbo V8. In the back, an electric motor delivering instant torque. Together, they make hybrid performance insane. And while most hybrids save fuel, this one shaves seconds on the street or the track. Inside, you're surrounded by performance. From carbon fiber trim to racing-style bucket seats, the GT63 blends luxury and aggression. The dual 12-inch screens run MBUX, with AMG performance menus, EV power flow, and a fully digital dash. This isn't a cabin, it's a command center. You can drive in pure EV mode for short city trips about 7 to 10 miles. Not much, but enough for silent departures or traffic crawling. The 6.1 kilowatt-hours battery recharges via wall plug or regen braking, and it's designed for power bursts, not long hauls. Starting near $190,000, the GT63 SE performance isn't cheap. But it's not built to be. It's a supercar in disguise, one that can seat 5, cruise quietly, and destroy a drag strip. All in one day. This AMG doesn't just keep the V8 alive, it electrifies it. Love insane hybrids and super sedans? Like, subscribe, and drop your dream AMG in the comments. Or power-packed reviews coming soon only on Wild in Style.